Oh shit, that's not good. You can see the rotors look a little shit. Look a little heated. You definitely tell them like 400 degrees. Man. Got some heat spots on it. That's not bad. That's not good. So we found our problem. Let's park this and see what's going on. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but just by looking at it, you can tell this rotor is heated. Badly heated. I'm just clamp this line. I'm gonna break that bleeder screw open. And we're just gonna see if we can get this caliper freed up now. And it looks like it is. Since we're squirting fluid out. We got it freed up now. So like our issue is this brake line. It's not twisted. So just gotta do that. I got the new line in there. Now let's remove our tool. Just bed the brake caliper. So we can get our pedal back. Like it's freed up now. All right, right off the back, I'll let go the brake. We actually rolling now. All right, been riding for a while. That looks healthy to me. To the other side. All right, just pull back up to the customer. That looks healthy to me. That looks healthy to me.